This recipe is a proof that a dish can be delicious and tasty without the use of cream and butter. Definitely a healthy choice. To make this recipe you will need chicken stock, chicken breast finely sliced, corn, asparagus, lemon juice, chopped cilantro, green onions, finely chopped shallots, yams cut in small cubes, and lemongrass. Trim the ends of your lemongrass. Remove the first layer. There we go. Cut about an inch from the root side. Cut it in half, then in quarter, and finely chop it. This is where you get the pulp of the lemongrass here. Then split this one in half. There you go. And bruise it with a meat pounder. Place it in a pot. There you go. Do the top part here. Trim. Cut in half. Actually, remove the first layer always. This doesn't look very clean. And do the same for the remaining lemongrass. Add the chicken stock over the lemongrass. Then bring it to a boil on high heat and keep it covered. Our stock is boiling. So turn it down to a medium-low simmer. Leave the lid on the side but slightly open. And simmer gently for 10 minutes. Let me show you how to cut your asparagus for this specific recipe. Our asparagus is pretty thick. Hold the asparagus by the hand right there, and the asparagus will break at a natural breaking point. So this will be woody. Trim the end. Cut the tip off, then split the asparagus in half, lengthwise, and cut it into sections. In a large separate pot, add the shallots and green onions. Then strain over the lemongrass. Smells great. Bring the soup back to a boil. Then add the chicken breast and the yams. You may also use sweet potatoes. Stir. Bring the soup back to a boil and simmer on medium-low for 5 to 7 minutes or until the yams are tender. When the yams are cooked, then add the asparagus and the corn. Stir. Cook those vegetables for another 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Stir. Taste. Nice. Just before serving, add the lemon juice and the chopped cilantro. Taste. Let's eat. Serve the soup. So pile it up, a good ladle of vegetables, and then serve the broth. A bit more. Maybe a tiny bit more. Garnish with fresh herbs. Et voilà. Lemongrass chicken broth. Bon appétit!